Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattoo Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Today we are kicking off a weekly vlog, and this is my last week of school, so I thought I would take you along with me and show you some of the things that we are celebrating. Today is Monday. It's my 37th birthday, which is exciting and fun and weird. I don't feel 37, but here we are. Also today we have our academic and sports awards, and we also have a little celebration for one of our students who is going to state for pros. I've been trying to get him to show me his presentation and he hasn't done it yet, so maybe I can get him to do that this week. Also, I helped to design his shirt, so I hope to show you that as well because I'm really proud of it, and it was kind of a fun project for me to work on last week. So that's what we're doing today. We also have a lunch, a lawn lunch. We're having hamburgers. So that is Monday, so let's go. Here is this week in my planner. It's gonna fill up for sure, but we do have things already on the books for this week, culminating in a staff versus students field day. I don't know how much I can participate in this, but whatever. And we have prom on Friday, which I do not have to sponsor this year, and then we have graduation on Saturday. So there it is. I'll try to give you some more updates as the week goes on. Good morning. It's Tuesday. So my birthday was yesterday, and it was really nice. It's always kind of fun to have your birthday at school because the kids are always sweet about it. And I got some really good presents from my friends and family, and I got to talk to everybody last night, which was really nice. And today's going to be the calm before the storm, I think, at work. And I need to finish up a inventory of our teacher's technology, and my kids are finishing up a project, and they're supposed to be presenting tomorrow to the other social studies teachers too, to be judged. And so I need to make sure they're going to finish. I don't know if they're going to finish everything, so I might have to modify some stuff, but we'll see what they get done. They've been pretty into it this whole time, so it's kind of a fun project. It's like an alternative history. They have to create this other world and have it based in history. So anyway, it's been fun for me and them, I think. And other than that, I'm just going to finish up some things in my office. I need to kind of clean up my desk area, but we did a big deep clean of our office last week, so I just need to do a couple things. And then we might be interviewing a teacher for an English position at our school too this afternoon, so we'll see if that gets scheduled, but that's the plan. So I'm ready to go to school. We got 3 days left. And yeah, it's been a good week so far. This cat, y'all, she's been yelling at me all morning, and all she wants is pets, and I've already given her 1 million. So so before I head out, I thought I would point out my This Is Tisa shirt. It's so cute. It's really hard to show it to you. I don't have a good long mirror in my house. I need to get one. But I love this shirt, and every time I wear it, I always get compliments and comments about it. It's just so cute. So I've also got on some really cute boyfriend jeans from Stitch Fix and my floral knockoff Birkenstocks. We've been really lucky to be able to wear jeans this year, which I'm super grateful for, and I hope that we get to keep this because I've been loving wearing jeans every day. I worked really hard on my Google Classroom this year, making it the best it's ever been. And so before I leave, I'm making a full copy so that I can use this next year. I won't use everything, but I'll use a lot of it. So it's going to be nice to already have everything drafted in this classroom and ready to go. Hey y'all, so it is Wednesday and we are halfway through this school week. I can't believe we have 2 days left. It feels surreal. It took forever to get here and here it is. I was reading on Twitter this morning as I was like finishing getting ready, and it was about like how many teachers are like counting down the school year this year with like relief and like that need for summer. So I feel a little bit of validation there. I've loved this school year. Like, I keep saying that, but I really did. But we all need a little break. I think everybody does. The kids do too. So I'm really looking forward to it. But today, still tying up loose ends like yesterday. I've got to finish up my teacher tech inventory, and then we have graduation practice. So it has been raining all week. It will not stop. I mean, there's like flash flooding everywhere. We've had tornadoes all over the place. So I'm expecting a stormy summer this year, but we need it to stop raining. But it's not going to. So we've already moved graduation inside. So we're going to have our first of 2 graduation practices today. And we've also moved our field day that we were supposed to have tomorrow inside. So it's fine. It'll still be fun, and graduation will still be good. Maybe even better because we have done it inside before all the time. So, yeah. I need to go to work, and this cat will not stop yelling at me. So I have to go pick up my carpool buddy and my friend. So I need to go. So she's coming up here. So here she is. So someone came to join me. I need to go, but it's nice to have a few kitty snuggles in there before I head out. So, but it's time to go to school, so I need to go. So it is now Thursday, and it is the last day of school, which feels weird. It just like came all in a rush, but it is here, thankfully. And we have kind of a fun day planned. It's going to be hectic, but it's going to be good. So first thing, we have a field day with the kids, and there's supposed to be a either kickball or dodgeball, like staff versus seniors game. And I'm trying to think of excuses to get out of this because I just don't want to do it. But it should be fun to just see the kids having some fun and being able to interact with them in kind of a different way. And then we have graduation practice again today. Yesterday went really well. They were so good. Probably one of the best groups I've ever seen because I've been doing graduation for like, I don't know, 10 or 12 years now. And they were so good. So we just have to kind of run through everything again and get the details right. And then after field day and graduation practice, we have a like staff luncheon, which shouldn't take too long. Our assistant superintendent is in charge of it, and he usually goes through everything really fast. So hopefully we will get out at like 2 or 3, and then we have scheduled a happy hour at a new branch of one of my favorite places in town. So I've seen pictures of their outdoor patio, and I'm really excited to just have some time with my coworkers and just relax. So that's the plan for today. Should be a really good day. And then once I get home, I'm probably going to crash because it's going to be a lot, but it's going to be fun too. So I forgot to say that I'm wearing my Students Pros shirts. They came in yesterday and they turned out so cute, and I'm really proud of the design. We went back and forth in probably 10 or 15 emails with the designer, and I'm really happy with the result. So anyway, we get to wear like athletic wear today, so that's nice and comfy, and it's gonna be a good day. It is now Friday, and I didn't film anything yesterday in the afternoon because I just wanted to enjoy my time. We had our luncheon, which was kind of our last like staff meeting all together. It was really nice, very low-key, chill. Wrapped up a few things, headed home, and went to happy hour, and we had the best time. We laughed for like nearly 4 hours straight. Like my stomach hurts, my stomach muscles, because we were laughing so hard, and I lost my part of my voice. Luckily, it's scratchy today, but it's good. We were just having such a good time, and it really does make a difference, like what kind of coworkers you have. I know that now after many years of teaching, and my coworkers are the best. They are my friends, and I just had such a good time with them. So sorry I didn't film any of that. Plus, it was just, it's weird to like film people in your life. I always ask permission, but it just felt like right to be in the moment last night. So I just skipped it. And then when I got home, I was just so tired from the day. We had the best time at the field day. It was just, the kids were awesome. It was so fun, and it's just a great way to end the school year. Graduation practice was good, and yeah, yesterday was just amazing. Sorry for the cat tail. And then today, it's just professional development. So we actually are getting a head start on our summer PD, which is totally fine with me. I would rather get it done now and not have to worry about it at all, which is amazing. So I've got some modules to get done today and then on Monday, so that we can like count them as work days, which is kind of cool. And then graduation counts as a work day as well. So yeah, today is going to be pretty chill. I'm going to get those modules done. I'm going to do some housework, maybe a couple errands, but nothing crazy. I just want to kind of relax before tomorrow, because graduation is always a big day, and it's just always, such a great day most of the time. There was one year that was really bad, and I was not sad to see the seniors go, but the senior class this year is so good, and we're going to miss them. So I'm really excited to see them kind of take the next step in their lives and say goodbye to them. It's going to be a little bit sad, but yeah, today is just kind of chilling out. Although Sunday is going to be the real chill day. I'm doing a no day on Sunday. I got this idea from Tracy from mäksēlife, and she does no days where she does absolutely nothing, and she has no expectations for her day, and I can't wait for that. But before I get to fully relax on Sunday, got to get these modules done, got to get graduation done, and then it's relaxation time. So I was just unpacking my school bag for the last time, and I wanted to let you guys know that I have a flip through of my whole teacher planner along with my thoughts of the whole year on my channel live now, and I will link it up in a card for you and down in the description too. So it is Saturday. Well, now it's the afternoon. We just had graduation, and it was so good. The kids this year were just kind of a special class. You get them every couple of years, and they're just a sweet group, and I just really enjoyed like spending some time with them like this week, and through the practices and the activities, and then just saying goodbye to them today was really good. I didn't cry. I almost cried. There's been a couple of graduations where I've like ugly cried, but that's probably next year with that group of kids. But this year, the kids are so sweet. So I'm going to miss them a lot. But it was just a really, really nice morning, and I enjoyed spending the time with them. So I just went and got a chocolate shake from Brahms because I have this tradition where I go to my favorite snow cone place, and it's like the start of summer, but it's not open yet. So I bet it'll be open next week after Memorial Day, or the week after, whenever that is. But it's not open yet. So next best thing was a Brahms chocolate shake. They are delicious. So I'm just gonna chill today, probably. We're set to go to happy hour later, another one. Hopefully not quite as long as the previous one, but that's the only thing that I have left for today. And then it's just like summer, I guess. So that's the only thing I have set for today. And then tomorrow is a no day. I am not doing anything. So I may show you some footage of happy hour, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what I'm feeling. But if we don't have happy hour, I'm just going to like chill the rest of the day. I'm going to take off my makeup. This is the first day I've worn makeup in like a year and a half or close to it. No, a year and like 3 months. But anyway, it was a good day. It was a good week. And I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And I'll see you next time. Bye.